Welcome to Quantiix. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the main dashboard and understand the core metrics that drive the platform. Let's get started. First, let's look at how the platform is organized. Quantiix uses a simple hierarchy to structure your data. Company is your top-level account. Under it are factories, which represent physical sites. Each factory is divided into organizational units, or OU, which are specific lines or departments. Finally, inside each OU are your machines. You can easily navigate by drilling down through these levels. If you want to display live data on the shop floor, you can use the public view, a read-only shareable live display of a single OU that doesn't require a login. Next, you can filter your dashboard by time. Selecting 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours shows a rolling view of the last few hours up to the current moment. The day filter shows a rolling 24-hour window, and the week filter shows a rolling 7-day view. To see the current calendar month from the 1st until today, use the month filter. Now, let's break down the 3 key metrics on your dashboard. First is availability, the primary indicator of machine productivity during planned shifts. Next is extended availability, which includes standard uptime plus any downtime classified as necessary. Finally, reasons assigned shows the percentage of downtime periods that have been classified by your operators. You'll also notice small arrows next to these metrics. These compare your current performance against the previous equivalent time period so you can easily track trends. Let's quickly review what we've learned. In this tutorial, you've learned how to navigate the platform hierarchy. Use the public view, filter by rolling time ranges, and read your core dashboard metrics. Understanding these fundamentals helps you easily track performance and keep your production running smoothly.